Nice. Yeah, so sad to see our girls. They're going back to Japan. They've been staying with us for a month. But it's not a goodbye. You can always come back. You have a family in New Zealand. And that's all. Konnichiwa. Where are you from?
Japan.
Are you from Japan? What's your name?
My name is Natsuko.
Natsuko?
Ayako.
Ayako.
Yeah.
Oh, malo chalofa.
Talofa.
Chalofa Samoa. Say chalofa Samoa.
Talofa.
Samoa. Konnichiwa, Japan.
Manuia lepo.
Okay, manuia lepo. Good night. Ah. Okay, today is the 7th of March, and our girls, they're going back to Japan tomorrow. So you're living in what time? In the morning. What time you leave in the morning? 3 a.m. in the morning?
Yeah.
Okay, and you leave at 10. Okay, so Maddie, she bought a gift for you girls. So that's for you. What's your name again?
Ayako.
Ayako and
Natsuko.
Natsu. Yeah. So that's the gift for you. And that's the gift for you. You girls, you went to the